Well, hey, it's Nat. Baby girl told me, said, I want some quiche in the morning, Mama. So we're going to make some quiche. Just put your dry ingredients. We're doing some onions, mushrooms, and some spinach all in a pot and saute that together. And go ahead and par-bake your pie crust by whatever the instructions are on the package. Add your spices. I'm using some nutmeg, salt, and pepper. I think I did some smoked paprika and roasted garlic as well. Some salt. Exactly. So then you're just going to stir this down until it's cooked down. Okay, you're going to set it aside, and then you're going to go and grab you 4 eggs and put them in a bowl. And you should beat them till they're combined. This is regular speed, y'all. I whipped that fast, and my camera just couldn't keep up. I don't know what's going on. So it looks glitchy, but I swear to God, it is not fast forwarded. Okay, 1 3/4 cups of half and half. Not heavy whipping cream, not milk, half and half. That's going to aid that fluffy texture. Again, this is regular speed. Thank you guys for 600 subscribers on YouTube. Y'all are just blowing me up, and I love it. I've got imposter syndrome real bad. But thank you so much for subscribing. If you are watching and haven't subscribed, please do so. If you have subscribed but are not watching my videos, please do so. Everything helps me to give back to my community. My weekend breakfasts are for my babies, though. Once you got everything all mixed up, you're going to pour it in your pie pan. It does not overflow, but I just like the evenness of putting it on a cookie sheet, and I think you should too. So it's going to bubble up like that pecan pie did. So 425, 55 minutes. When you take it out, you let it cool. Once it cools, it's going to look pretty like this. Then you're going to cut you out a little piece, and let's try it and see how fluffy it is. There you go. This was so good, y'all. Like, subscribe. I love you all. Goodbye. Have a great Saturday.